What are you doing? What are you doing, pretty girl? What is in your mouth? Did you get something yummy to eat? Huh? Hey, I want to take a picture of you. I can't take a picture of you if you're wanting to go look at it. Hey. Hey. Here, Stinker. Hey, Stinker. You're being a little stinker pot. Oh my goodness. What are you doing, Shenandoah? Hey. What are you doing? Hey, I'm gonna get you. Whoa, fall down, flop. What are you eating? What are you eating? Where are you going? Bye. Oh. Oh my goodness. Hey. Hey, let go of her.
Okay.
Did you get all your stuff picked up?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
All of my stuff. No, Shenandoah. Okay, you pretend you're my grandmother, and you paint.
I am your grandmother.
Okay, you pretend you're. Okay, now you pretend you are going to paint my nails, and I'm just gonna pretend my nails are already. And I'm gonna pretend my nails are not painted. Okay, and you pretend you're painting my nails. I wonder what his delivery is. It's this. It's that. Oh, okay. Can you put my nails on? No, Shenandoah. Can you put my nails on? They're kind of tricky.
What did you just stick in your mouth?
This is why.
Okay, show me. Shenandoah. What's in your mouth?
Salad.
Salad? You eating salad? Yeah, she's just kind of gnawing on it.
Pretty? Okay.
Okay, say cheese.
Cheese.
She said cheese again? Say cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Look at me and say it.
Okay. You pretend you're painting my nails when my nails are already on. Pretend you're painting my nails. Please. I can't do it. I can't do it.